Good day to my future employer. First, let me introduce myself. I am Jessalyn Bangkaya, 38 years old. I am a mother of two. I am a high school graduate and currently living here in Moncayo, Davao de Oro, Mindanao, Philippines. I have work experience as a nanny here in Philippines for 1 year. I took care of 4 years old and 6 years old girls. My duties are send them to school and fetch them back home after school, prepare their meal, bath them, and play with them, help them with their homework, and part of my duties are cleaning, do the ironing, and sometimes I do marketing. I also have work experience in abroad for 7 years in one employer in Kuwait. My duties are I prepare their food, cooking. I fetch them and send them to school, the 7 years old and 10 years old girls. Play with them, go with them in the park or in the mall. Part of my duties are do the laundry, cleaning the 8 rooms of the house, and do the laundry, and sometimes I do marketing. I am a hardworking person. I do a multitasking job. I am a person who takes responsibility of my work. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I would appreciate it, and I do my best as I can. Thank you, and looking forward to work with you.